Branding and marketing are two different aspects of a business. However, they help each other in a great way while building your business. Welcome to Grow with Branding. I am Haarshit Gala, a brand strategist and a designer, and today we are going to talk about how is branding different from marketing. Marketing promotes your products and services to generate leads and drive sales, whereas branding creates an emotional connection with your customer that builds trust and loyalty. Marketing focuses on bringing results and conversions, whereas branding builds strong reputation and recognition in the marketplace. While marketing is about how do we sell, its strategies and techniques, branding is all about who you are, what you do, and why. Marketing highlights the advantages and the benefits of the products and services in the market, whereas branding establishes a unique and a memorable position in the minds of its consumers. Marketing prompts the audience to take specific actions like buy now, purchase, or sign up, whereas branding shapes how your business is perceived by your audience, influencing their decisions.